How to log out of Viber. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Viber on a device. Then tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on settings. Now tap on account. Then tap on Viber backup. Now select Google Drive. Then give the permissions. Now select the Google account to backup. Then tap on OK. Now give the permissions. Now simply tap on backup now. Now once you complete the backup, go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find Viber. Then tap on it. Then go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.